What I eat on Naked and Afraid?
Sea urchin.
Jenna speared it. Now we're harvesting it. Raw sea urchin. Salty, creamy. Wow. Oh yeah. Got me an oyster. I could eat these all day. Steamed clam for breakfast. Might be my favorite thing to eat out here. Termites. Nature's candy. A little citrusy. With a nice crunch. Some minnows. Right off the tail. Hold the head. An ocean roly-poly. We're gonna eat that like tongue-looking thing. Tough sucker. Some escargot. This is what I'm supposed to fucking eat. Down the hatch. I feel like I was supposed to eat some of that.
Damn, that's pungent.
Yeah. My mouth's a little like tingly. What I did not eat in a day.
Okay.
Snail.